Bon voyage. Bon appétit.
Hey, who y'all grew up on? Hey, who y'all grew up on? Thurman Thomas? Yeah, I got all that. Charles Woodson, I got all them. Jamon Bettis. Oh, I got plenty of Jamon Bettis.
All the cars.
I got them all, man. I know who y'all grew up on. I got the new cat from New England. Tom Brady out of there.
You got all the cars.
Tom Brady, yeah. I got all of them. What you want? What one you want? Appreciate it.
No, you don't got even. I just want to
call it. All right, call it.
Yeah,
Hell yeah. Sanders, I got them all.
You got all the cars. It's NFL draft day today too, so they better come with it. They better get them.
I got who? Hey, they traded him.
They will be there.
Get them.
Yeah, they.
Hey, I got some Raiders. Come on, man. Hurry up for the yellow people.
So it's NFL draft day today. Seems like folks is ready. They ready for the draft. So the guy we just passed, he was selling football cards. Because it's draft day, there is a good shot that you might see one of your players around here. And this is Las Vegas, so that was pretty interesting. Pretty good idea. Pretty good idea. Wish him the best of luck. Hope he has a good day. I gave him what I could. I'm broke today, but I did tip the man, you know. It's always good to tip the guys you film. Whatever you can, even if you ain't got a lot. Let's see what this guy's doing. Since I'm about to put him on camera, I'm gonna throw him some. Hey bro, you alright bro? That's the homie bro, you alright bro? That's the homie. Hey bro, here. What happened to him bro? Who did this to him? Bro, what happened to you bro? The homie is okay. The homie is good. The homie is good. We about to smoke a blunt now. We about to be good. The homie is okay. We about to smoke. He always be showing love to everybody out here. He show love to everybody. Y'all even met him before. You was on my channel before. So he good. We good out here.
Yeah.
We look out for our people, bro.
Stick with dude if you can.
We be out here, bro. We about to smoke. We about to chill, keep walking, make our way to the
Love you, babe.
Palace.
Two more.
I
got a dad bod. Dad bod.
We can go back after this, but I think there's nothing over here. Right?
Yeah, you see all the fans. You're gonna see all the arguments right here. We gonna get y'all this shit.
All right, guys. So as you can see, there's nothing really going on right now. It's a lot of wind blowing, a lot of sports fans out, and it's looking like a good day. All right, out here in Las Vegas. NFL draft day. So this looks like a feature of the NFL draft. They have the roads blocked off right here on Flamingo, which is why my bus couldn't go through here. And it looks pretty exciting, but only select people are allowed to go through there. That's why they have it blocked off, so that regular pedestrians cannot walk right into the hoorah. But it looks pretty exciting. We're gonna see what else, but the wind is blowing pretty hard, which is why I'm not out here.